Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss mesh analysis of circuits in S domain. For the following circuit, find the mesh currents I1 of t and I2 of t. If I1 of 0 minus I2 of 0 minus is equal to 8 ampere. So the given condition is I1 of 0 minus I2 of 0 is equal to 8 ampere. The difference between the mesh currents is equal to 8 ampere just before t is equal to 0. So first step is to transform the circuit from time domain to S domain. So when the given circuit is transformed from time domain to S domain, 9u of t becomes 9 by S. The resistance values remain same. The inductance becomes S in series with a voltage of value 8 volt. Apply KVL to loop 1. We will get 9 by S minus 2 into I1 of S minus S into I1 of S minus I2 of S plus 8 is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms, we will get S plus 2 into I1 of S minus S into I2 of S is equal to 9 by S plus 8. Equation number 1. Now apply KVL to second loop. So in this loop there are 4 voltage terms. Voltage drop across 3 ohms resistance, voltage drop across 7 ohms resistance, the voltage source due to initial current flow through the inductor, and voltage drop across the inductor. So according to KVL, we will get minus 3 I2 of S, minus 7 I2 of S, minus 8, minus S into I2 of S minus I1 of S is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms, we will get S I1 of S minus 10 plus S into I2 of S is equal to 8. Equation number 2. S plus 2 into I1 of S minus S I2 of S is equal to 9 by S plus 8. Equation number 1. S I1 of S minus 10 plus S into I2 of S is equal to 8. Equation number 2. In matrix form, these equations can be written as matrix of S plus 2 minus S minus of S plus 10 into matrix of I1 of S, I2 of S is equal to matrix of 9 plus 8S the whole divided by S, 8. I1 of S is equal to delta 1 by delta and I2 of S is equal to delta 2 by delta. Application of Cramer's rule, where delta is equal to determinant of S plus 2 minus S minus of S plus 10. Delta 1 is equal to 9 plus 8S the whole divided by S minus S 8 minus of s plus 10. And delta 2 is equal to determinant of s plus 2, 9 plus 8s by s, 8. Delta is equal to minus of 12s plus 20. Delta 1 is equal to minus of 90 by s plus 89. And delta 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, we will get I1 of s is equal to 90 plus 89s the whole divided by s into 12s plus 20. I2 of s is equal to minus 7 divided by 12s plus 20. Therefore, we can write I1 of t is equal to Laplace inverse of I1 of s and I2 of t is equal to Laplace inverse of I2 of s. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.